Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Nothing feels better after a long day than coming home and getting your feet rubbed, but maybe there's no one in your house that's willing to touch your feet. That's the case in my house, and that's why I am in love with this foot massager. This wonderful machine not only fits my small feet, but it also fits my teenage son's gigantic feet. In fact, he likes it so much that he uses it more than I do. I love all of the different modes that you can set it on. You have the option for 3 different levels of heat and intensity. Personally, the top intensity is a little too much for me, but I do love the lowest setting and the heat turned on high. There's so many different options. I'm sure you're going to find your most comfortable foot massage. It comes with a handy remote that has all the different functions on it, so you can literally sit back with a cup of tea and your favorite robe and adjust your heat and intensity levels without sitting up to push the buttons on the machine. How wonderful is that? The massage feature is just wonderful. You can feel it all around your foot, and it even has an air feature for the top of your foot. We spent a day walking around the Children's Museum in Indianapolis, and this was so wonderful to come home to. My feet felt refreshed and ready to take on the next day instead of achy like they usually do. So if you're looking to pamper yourself after a long day, or you're just looking to improve your mental and physical health, I highly recommend this amazing foot massager. It would also be a great gift for a loved one.
And that's my point of view.